Hey, I'm Alex with Marc's Mobility. In this video, we're going to show you the lightest folding power chair by Pride Mobility to date, so stay tuned. What we have here is the Jazzy Ultra Light. This is a carbon fiber folding power chair that if you take the battery out of the unit, you can get this down to 33 pounds. You combine that with a 300-pound weight capacity and up to 16-mile drive range. There's really nothing else like this currently on the market. Now the unit is a little bit wider than some of the folding units. It is going to be 24.5 inches wide and 41 inches long. Now that is with the foot plate all the way extended out, so that's not a hidden measurement with the foot plate flipped up. So 41 by 24. We did measure this in a certain thing earlier as well. We measured it when it was folded up. You are going to be 37 inches by 24 by 17. So no matter which way you want to fold that rectangle, that's your measurement. It's 37. You can get that 37 down to 31 if you want to take the joystick and the cup holder off. So let's just say for the widest thing, without having to change anything on this, 37 by 24 by 16 is the dimensions you would need to fit this in the trunk or in the back of any type of vehicle. Now, I did mention it comes with a 10 amp airline approved battery, or you can get a 20 amp non-airline approved battery. That is going to change the cost a little bit on the unit, but you are able to purchase either or at the time. The cushion on this is going to be 18 inches wide by 19 inches in depth. You do have 1 inch of adjustability on the foot plate. A new enhancement that they did come out with, this is a carbon fiber arm. You are going to be able to buy arm pads for this, a headrest, and an attendant control mount. They did go ahead and put solid tires in the front. These are a little bit bigger, almost 8-inch tires, and they put some suspension right here on the front forks. And the back tires are going to measure almost 11 inches of a tire. Now this is going to fold a little bit easier than other units. You can actually take this. Now, what they do recommend is to take the cushion off because you'll actually physically hear it snap, and you can stand it up. Battery's very easy to come out right here from the top of the unit. You actually do even have a charging port right here on the battery pack that you can charge in, and you have an on and off button. They made this a lot easier. No longer is it a circle or a line. It is an on and an off button. Up here in the front of the battery pack as well, it's actually even going to show you your level of charge. So if you bring this inside and you want to charge this, you unplug it, you can see where you're at actual level of charge without having to stick this back into the unit and turn the joystick on. Now based on the new design with these grooves, you can easily just put this in and it snaps back in place. It's not like before where it did not line up on the unit unless you slid it all the way from the front. They did design this in a way that this is going to be a lot more user friendly to be able to get this battery pack snapped back into the unit. Now to unfold this, you are going to have a little tab over here on the side, and if you begin to lean this forward with that tab pushed, you'll actually physically hear it click into place. So what makes this nice is you are able to just use your foot and hit that red tab, but it will snap in both the locked and the unlocked position to know you're able to drive the unit. Just like on all of them, you are going to have flip-up armrests, and you're going to have 250-watt brushless motors on this unit. So it's going to come standard with the cup holder. Joystick and cup holder can be interchangeable on either side that you want to put them on. And last but not least, you are able to drive this without a cushion, and you're going to be at about 18 inches from the top of the seat to the ground, 18.5, or you're going to be at 20 inches with the cushion on the unit. So I really do believe this chair here, the Jazzy Ultra Light, is going to be a game changer because you're going to have distance, travelability, and lightweight at 33 pounds. So now if you would, follow me outside. I'll do a short driving demonstration of me sitting in this unit here. This is the Jazzy Ultra Light by Pride Mobility. This is their newest 33-pound folding power chair. You can look at the tight 33-inch turning radius right here. Now, this is very smooth as compared to other types of units they've come out with on the market. This is a very smooth driving chair. Now, I would mention these motors are going to sound more of a windy sound. So if you do buy one of these, do know they are going to be a little bit louder sounding motors. But overall, in responsiveness of the chair, when you're driving it to go from left to right and turning, it drives just like almost every other power chair. There's no real like you've got to be driving to then make the turn. You can do it from a straight stop, or even if you're driving and you want to start to veer, you don't really lose any speed. Now, one thing I will mention as well, I'm 6 foot tall, 200 pounds, so you can kind of look like what I'm looking like sitting on this unit, kind of give you perspective. I have plenty of room. My feet fit very nicely on this foot plate. I wear a size 12 shoe. Now, just like everything else that I do, I typically like to go right over here in the grass just to kind of get a feel. It says 250-watt brushless motors, so let me just get my feel on what this can do over here. So pretty much like all the rest of the folding ones, you know, when you're stopped at a dead stop and you go to turn, it's going to have a little bit of resistance on there. Going forward is no problem. So I would rate this similar to a lot of the other folding ones on the market that, yes, if you are going to go through some type of compact surface, you're okay. I would not recommend going through any types of dirt or sand or any types of really wet surfaces. But if you're looking for something that is going to either have a full-size battery or a travel battery and it's only 33 pounds, I would say there's probably nothing better on the market today than the Jazzy Ultra Light. So go ahead and look at the description below and give us a call.